Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh. Kaya nga kinote ni, siguro, ang chairman kanina gusto kong ituloy ito. Sinabi niya, nagpa-interview siya, na goodwill and sincerity should be done para i-test. Pwede ba yung ganito?
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how,
my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am
And
operating.
the arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
are
operating from the
Senator
from
Marcoleta,
the
kindly allow
vantage
the
point of the reason
resource
behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution. So that is the principle behind all of these things that we are talking about now.
Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be.
Sir, it can come before or after, sir. It can come before or
You
after.
cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh.
Sir,
Huwag po ninyo babaguhin ang batas,
we
Mr. Secretary.
are operating on a unique set of facts, and we are, all of these matters are being evaluated because the gravity of this financial crime cannot be underestimated, and that the more assets that we're able to preserve at the outset, the better for our country, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry, sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I am
country
not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga hindi ko opinion dito. I am
Then it's your option, sir.
the
If it
provision
is,
of
it
law.
is what you wish to happen, that you may proceed.
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant. It is not in the law. Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before. Hindi ganun eh. Sabi mo na nga, and we admitted, impliedly instituted ang civil liability, but this will come eventually after the court has pronounced kung magkano ibabalik niya kung meron man.
To the rescue agad si Erwin Tulfo kay Remulla. Ginigisa kasi siya ni Marcoleta. Baligtad din palang utak ni Erwin. Ang gusto niya wala nang batas-batas. Basta ibalik lang yung pera, wala nang pananagutan. Kung gusto niyo pala ibalik yung pera, dapat palang umaksyon na kayo. I-freeze yung account ng lahat ng mga congressman at mga kontraktor at mga engineer dyan sa DPWH.
Ibalik yung pera nila. And I believe the Secretary of Justice heard that. And I believe Malacanang heard that. Kaya nga po, dito po sa mga kontraktor, mga opisyal, isole ninyo.
Naku Erwin, bakit mo hindi kayang banggitin ang pangalan mga dati mong kasamahan sa Kongreso, lalo na si Romualdez at si Saldico?
Ang pera ng taong bayan. Hindi po batas ang pinag-uusapan. Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas.
Anong sabi mo? Walang tayo pakialam sa batas. Ikaw lang yun nagsabi. Mahalaga ang batas. Yan ang gabay natin. Kaya ka nandyan sa Senado para gumawa ng batas, ng magandang batas.
Times, you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir.
Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Are you done, Senator Marcoleta? Okay. So next in line is Senator Padilla. Please limit your question kay Secretary Remulla.
Apo, gusto ko lang